Okay, so these are Miss Peggy Bean's babies, and Miss Samantha had babies. So, oh my goodness, we left the mummies there so we can just show you all the little guys. And let's go walk over there so we can see them a little better. Yeah. So I want to pick up one at a time so we can see them a little better, which is going to be, I have to remember. Oh, oh, how pretty are you? Hi, baby. What a pretty baby. All right. Okay. And they all live together with their mommies in one of the bigger nursery cages right now. Hi there, pretty little Abby. Let's see the face. I want to see your little face. Hi. You gonna remember whom we see? Hi there. Hi, little baby. And these range from 4 to 2 days. I know, little ones. You're gonna all go back to mommy. I love the sound the little babies make. Hi, little baby. You're welcome. Do you hear the little sounds they're making?
You got stuff on your face. What have you got on your face?
I know, I saw that. It's kind of green. What is that? You got some veggie stuff on your face.
You got veggie stuff on your face. Why you got veggie stuff?
I bet that's a boy. I can tell.
You little messy boy.
He's a troublemaker. Hi, baby. Okay. It's a basket of babies. I mean, is there anything cuter than that? This is Miss Samantha's baby, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And the most special for that.
And we kept the special one for last. Yeah, that's just unbelievable how cute this baby is. I mean, they're all cute, but look at this baby. Hi, baby. And the mama is a satin, and this is we call them crinkle babies, little sheep babies we call them, but it's not like a Tessel or a teddy mix of some sort. You are just so handsome, and it is a little boy. Maybe this is a Buddha boy. Who knows? Maybe you'll grow up being a Buddha boy. Hint, hint. All right. Here, go and snack on this, guys. Go eat. Yummies. Even though they're so young, they're already eating solid foods. Go on. It's good for you. It's healthy stuff. They're like, where's mommy? What are you doing there? Go eat the parsley, silly. All right, well, let's get y'all back to mommy. We just wanted to show everybody and share your cuteness. Bye, little babies. Oh, look at you being nice to that baby. That's not even your baby. No, that's Bean's baby. I just put these two mommies together. And they have a combined total of 6 babies, of which Bean's babies are the latest. So they all have a little more space. And I'm hoping these two ladies are gonna get along. And so far, so really good. Look at this baby. My little one. This is your mommy. He's just the most gorgeous little thing. He's a boy. So the mummies are being very nice. First introduction to the mixed family here. It's beautiful. And everyone's exploring the new surroundings. And he's trying to nurse with that mommy that's not his mommy. And she's being very sweet with him. Actually letting him nurse, though she ran away. Ooh, be nice. Be nice. Well, that's like a little nose punch. That's okay, but I'm going to be watching this very closely. So one was an owner surrender, and then the little satin here, and she came from a local shelter. And I just want to show everyone who watched her post on Facebook and donated toward the care of her babies, and all the guinea pigs here. Thank you so much, and you can see how she's thriving. And this is just 2 mummies with babies, because we have so many and so many little babies on pregnancy hold right now as well. Something scared you. What was it? So her name is Amara. And that little baby just keeps being drawn to her. It's not your mommy. But you know, guinea pigs often they don't care. They'll nurse each other's babies, which is just the sweetest thing. Come on, little guys, get out there. Good babies. Oh, you're being a meanie to her, but this is normal. You just have to figure it out. I'm sorry, little Peggy, little beanie. I'm sorry, Mommy. She's been a bit of a meanie, but they'll figure it out. No one's gonna get hurt. Oh, where are you going? And that little call you just heard, that's very specific calling from Mommy. You can't go there. No, let's go back. Yeah, let's go out of there. Good baby. Good baby. And this too is not her baby. She's being very sweet to this baby. Now that's your mommy. But that's not where her nipple is, Sweepy. It's on the other side. Gonna let him nurse? You gonna let him nurse, Amara? Oh, maybe not. Oh, and this is also not, this is not bad. She's never gonna bite the babies or be really mean to them. And this will stop in the next half hour, I'm sure. But I'm gonna be here watching closely. So there, the latest cluster of babies here. With many, many more to come, unfortunately. We have a lot of surrender requests right now. More than usual for breeding guinea pigs. Groups of actively breeding guinea pigs. That we before have just not really encountered that many. And you see how this little one's closing his eyes? That's normal for just born babies. They kind of look very sleepy. Doesn't mean he's sick, but they just do. They kind of close their eyes and they just look sleepy, like they're still not used to being in the world. I went to get some snacks and I'm crunching them and everyone's going crazy because it is kind of close to dinner time. Let's see if I can. Hey there, you are due soon. Yes, these babies are going to wean soon because it's getting crowded in this cage. And then look, these are the snake babies, as I call them, from that big group. So these babies are gonna wean. That's a little girl. Hi there. Hi, yeah, I know. Where is it? Where'd it go? Go get it. And these babies are weaning this week. And then the video is coming on the intake in this group actually, because that was quite shocking. The circumstances under which these were rescued. And here's a big group that was surrendered last weekend. They're all females, all exposed to male. I'm going to show you Big Daddy as well. So these are all expected to be pregnant. I know you don't like kill, huh? Okay, we'll give it a try. It's not bad. These are all expected to have babies, but they just came in and they're on hold right now. So no one visibly pregnant yet. But let's go find the big daddy. First of all, is the big daddy. Hi, Percy. Are you big daddy? What? Okay, I was gonna say, how can you not like cucumber? Yeah. You got in a lot of trouble, you did. Very sweet dude. Here, you need the weight. Extra food for you. And then, oh, I'm so sorry, I was totally confused. This is Amara, the other guinea pig is Tanita. I just moved them, that's why. There. This is Amara and her babies. And her babies were born on June the 18th. Yeah, you said you're a good mama. The sound you hear in the background is swamp cooler and fans to keep it cool in here because it was like 95 here today. So to keep it cool in the piggy room, we rely on some serious technology, and unfortunately that is noisy. Hi. Oh, hi. Well, you looking for something else? You don't want that? You looking for other stuff? Tell me, what is it you want? I'll see if I have it. I think I know what she's saying. Give me romaine, that's what she's saying. Yeah. Now we can get a good look at this pregnant lady. Where are you going? Come back. Come back. Let me steal some. Let me steal some of this. Do you like this? Come on. Come on. No, you gotta come get it. I want to see your big belly. No more. Good girl. Look at that. That's a big girl. Oh, you're skittish. Oh, oh man, they've come a long way. They've come a long way. Okay, here. You can have it. Go get it. No. What about you, little baby girl? You gonna be brave? Yeah, you're very brave. Good job. What about your siblings? They're gonna be brave? Oh yes, look, they're both what we call crinkle babies, little sheepies. And now we can't see you, buddy. I want to see you guys. No, okay. And then here are our sanctuary girls. Hi girls, this is the fire. Hi. You know what, let me go get your cookie, okay? Let me go get a cookie. Okay, well actually it's kind of dinner time, so let's just do some of these. Yeah, and you get nice fresh pellets. But let's see everybody here. That hair over there is Natalie. And she has a hat tilt, as you can see. She's blind, but she does extremely well with that. And that there's Judy, who's recovering from pneumonia, who is also blind. She came sick from the shelter. Both of them actually here. Judy, Judy. Hi. Oh, good girl. See? There's more for everyone. This is Relish, who technically is nothing really wrong with her other than she has a bit of a weepy eye. So we just want to keep an eye on that. Hi, pretty lady. I think she was put in here because we didn't have space, so she's in here in the sanctuary cage for now. And then, hi Fire, everybody loves you. Fire, whose nose I gotta clean out every now and then. And then here is Sapphire. Sapphire, can we come say hi to you? Hi. So dinner time, she stands on here and yells at me because I'm over there. She yells at me because she wants stuff, but you don't want this one, huh? No. Spoiled pigs. All spoiled pigs. I know. Here's some of the. I know you'll like the. No, you don't like the leafy part of the celery. Come on now. I was gonna say every guinea pig loves that part. So Sapphire is just old lady now. She was from the original rescue group that we did in 2017 in this hoarder up north when we had 700, actually he had 729 or so guinea pigs just running around doing their thing. And she was born orange, and then her hair started falling out when she was about 4 weeks, and then ended up a blondie, which is very, I think there might be some genetic defect there. She just seemed a little frail for her age, so, you know, she was adopted out, then returned, and then I thought, you know what, she's just gonna stay here with us. Skinny. So the hair is falling out. She's a month-old baby, female baby. And I can actually just take this and it comes out a little tufts. And what's interesting is that the hair underneath is nothing like the hair she originally started with. So this is our little sanctuary. Let's see how these guys are doing. You're all doing good. And this is the thing that's noisy. It's blowing wind. And little baby guinea pigs eat right after they're born. They can eat solid food. So he's trying, not even a day old, he's trying his hand at pellet eating. I saw him nibbling on something else earlier. You just are the specialist little dude. You really are. And Bean, she looks a little depressed. Hi, Mama. But you'll be okay. She's just a little intimidated by her. So what they do is they kind of tend to become very quiet and kind of hide, like, hey, you don't see me kind of thing. And that's kind of what she's doing right now. And again, that is normal behavior, and I suspect she will get over that real soon. Now, if she doesn't, if she still is going to be intimidated, I will remove her and her babies and move her to a quieter spot. But for now, they're doing what I was expecting was going to happen. What are you doing there all by your lonesome? Hi. A little scary, huh? There's a big camera in front of your nose, in front of your face. They're very, very cute. Alright, it's dinner time. Everyone is starting to get impatient, so I gotta get on with my job. Thanks for watching, everyone.